The situation in the Middle East is heating up again. The United States has started flying the surveillance drones over the Gaza Strip to keep an eye on the ongoing Israel-Hamas ceasefire. Now here the goal is very simple. Get independent intelligence instead of relying only on Israeli reports. These drone operations are working closely with the US-Israel Civil Military Coordination Center, where Ambassador Steven Fagin, he has been appointed as the civil head of a new Gaza peace plan focused on delivering humanitarian aid to people that are affected by the conflict. And yes, at the very same time, Israeli airstrikes in southern Lebanon that killed Hezbollah's arms chief, Abbas Hassan, along with another person near the city of Nabata. Now, these strikes show that Israel is actively targeting groups that considers a threat, even beyond Gaza. In fact, to manage the tension, US General Joseph, he met with Lebanese leader to strengthen ceasefire monitoring and even prevent the further escalations as well. In the meantime, Iran reacted very strongly to the strikes, calling them a terrorist crime committed by the Israeli regime, highlighting how this situation could spark wider regional tensions. Here, experts say that the combination of the US surveillance, Israeli military actions, and regional reaction shows that the Middle East remains highly volatile, and even small incidents, well, it could quickly escalate. In the end, the US is taking steps to watch the ceasefire closely. Israel is hitting its enemies across the border, and countries like Iran, they are watching and warning, all pointing to a region on edge where every single move matters.